Hello everyone, I'm Coco Sherelle and welcome to my channel Bling and Air. Today I will be pearl dazzling these Converses for a Sweet 16. I'll show you all the items I use with the links, how I pearl dazzle, and I will be showing you a picture of the dress at the end. So if you'd like to see how I get this done, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm diving right on in. I use my nail drill to file the rubber toe area of the Converses to give it a rough, coarse surface, which is ideal for adhering the rhinestone crystals and ensuring that they stay on securely. These are the supplies I use. Everything is numbered to make it easy to find in the description section below. These light Colorado topaz rhinestones are from Amazon, and I have stone size 16 and stone size 20. These golden matte half pearls are also from Amazon. These right here was a star of the show because they match the sneaker perfectly. I got them from Esty in the color forest green. They're flat back pearls and mixed sizes 3mm to 12mm. Another Amazon item was these Light Hunter double face satin ribbon that matched the sneakers and the pearls to a T. Now let's get into these sneakers. They are the color green envy, size woman 11, and I purchased them from Journeys. I went ahead and applied the gold rhinestones along the laces, the back, and the toe area. I will add a link in the description section to my video showing you how I do the rhinestones along all those areas. As you can see, I stuffed the sneakers with plastic bags so that I can have a somewhat firm structure to adhere the half of pearls properly. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel because it helps other viewers like yourself find my videos. Item number 5 is my handy dandy liquid fusion adhesive glue. I love this glue so much. I get it from Amazon and the link is below. Let's begin. I'll be adhering the pearls in a scattered pattern. That basically means that there's no particular order. I'm going to be using all the different sizes. It's almost like playing Tetris, and I'm just going to be putting the pearls where they can fit. But along the rubber edge, I will only be placing size 4mm, which is also equivalent to stone size 16. It is a must that I use my heat gun. See, the liquid fusion glue has a looser consistency and the pearls slide a lot. So the heat gun helps the glue dry, allowing the pearls to stick in place and not slide. Now for maximum hold, I do allow 24 hours for the glue to completely cure, but the heat gun just helps out. So throughout the duration of this video, it will be sped up, but I will also show you some real-time clips. Also, I'll jump in if I feel I need to explain something. So please continue to enjoy this pearl dazzling transformation.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. On me. Let your love just shower on me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower on me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower.
Hey guys, so I found my rhinestone picker tool. I'm so glad I have it. In my opinion, I think it works better than the wax pencil. So I'm starting the other side and I'm more than halfway done. Thank you guys so much for continuing to watch, and I cannot wait for you to see the finished look. It's going to be amazing. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm finally done. Well, at least the hard part is done. Now it's just to add on these final touches, this beautiful green lace, just to tie everything together. Keep watching for the final look. Acetone is perfect for removing any dirt that may have gotten on the rubber sole, because I want to make sure when she gets them that they're nice and clean.
You lead me to paradise.
and gentlemen, welcome to Emerald City. OMG, these are so pretty. And just like I promised, here is a pic of the dress. Wow, wow, wow. That color, the detail, it just screams royalty. Like, I'm so obsessed. These sneakers are given royal green goddess, and I think I did my big one as far as matching up the colors, because me and the customer were going back and forth as far as trying to find the perfect shade of green, and I think I really nailed it. It is beautiful, and her dress is gorgeous. She's given regal royalty. Oh my gosh, just breathtaking.
You're all I need.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. I would like to know your thoughts. Do you think I complimented the dress? Did I match the dress? Do you like the sneakers? Well, until next time, guys, have a blessed day. Bye.